Dear, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn off new followers on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now click on notifications here. You can see here new followers, turn it on. In this way you can turn on new followers on TikTok and turn it off in this way. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.